video had gone viral in Japan a few months ago that sparked controversy on social media. In it, a woman enters an elevator and her face transforms in front of the camera. Incredibly, this person's face changed from a woman to a man in just 10 seconds. But the question is, did you look at it closely? First, her hair was seen changing, and then her facial features morphed like a man's. We must tell you that most people recognize this as a shapeshifter, an entity that transforms between human forms and lives among us. However, what is your opinion on this? This video is from Argentina, where some cleaning workers spotted a strange movement in the water spread on the ground. Here, a small whirlpool was forming in the water, surprising the workers who saw it. They said that we 5 people witnessed this strange occurrence and are recording it so that no one thinks we are crazy. According to them, there was no strong wind blowing here, and there was no hole in the ground. So how can this phenomenon be explained? It has been observed many times that people's eye color changes during live broadcasts.
And protecting the population and minimizing civilian casualties have long been a cornerstone of the counterinsurgency doctrine. Civilian casualties have long been a cornerstone of the counterinsurgency.
It is said that this happens only due to a defect in the camera or television, but many people believe that the truth is something else. Mysteriously, not just once, but during many live programs, the eyes of different people have been seen suddenly changing. It is said that this is a technical glitch, but according to some conspiracy theorists, such anomalies often occur in holographic images. So are we all living in a holographic world? The nature of cats has been described as very mysterious in almost all the religious books of the world. According to some experts, the supernatural nature of this creature can even see jinns and spirits. A woman named Susan posted a similar video of her cat on social media. As the cat climbed up the closet, it seemed to be trying to touch something. Something that was not visible to Susan. In this 1-minute video, the cat was seen doing the same thing. When Susan didn't understand the reason for its behavior, she posted the video on Instagram, and many people commented that there must be an invisible force in your home. there is still no solid evidence for the existence of extraterrestrials. However, many curious people are pointing their cameras and telescopes towards the sky and waiting. Carlos Franco is one of them. Carlos's profession is photography. One night, he accidentally took out his camera to take a beautiful picture of the sky. But what was recorded was astonishing. Carlos recorded in amazement this moving object in the sky from a distance, which he says cannot be a human aircraft at all. This family who went out for dinner suddenly witnessed a supernatural phenomenon. If you blink even a little while watching, you might miss the point. If you look closely in the background here, you can see a woman passing behind them, but her face is not visible. It's true. This woman had no face, a mother who was videotaping with her children after returning home. When she watched the video carefully, she was very frightened because the story of this ghost is similar to another famous ghost in Japan that people call the Nupepo. So was the same ghost captured by the camera here. This man, by taking a close-up shot of the moon, observed something strange a few meters above it. Someone named Alexei, by sharing this video, asked what this strange thing is. Looking at the video, it seems that something else came out of it and landed on the moon. Let us tell you that most people consider it a real flying saucer, and according to some, it could be the International Space Station. However, they may not know that the International Space Station is only 408 kilometers away from Earth, and the moon is 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. A person named Colin Booman uploaded this video on Facebook and said that the world of a bird may have suddenly stopped after taking flight. He was driving a car when he saw a black object hanging in the air. But there was no rope, nothing else attached to it, and no structure around it. When he looked closer, he realized that it was a bird stuck in the middle of its flight in the sky. Colin could not believe his eyes when he saw this scene. He took a photo of the bird which shows it in mid-flight, but it has come to a complete stop at one point. Let's say, as some people claim, our world is like a video game that sometimes experiences glitches or technical issues. So, is this one of those glitches? Write your opinion about it in the comments. This woman named Savannah, who is a mother of a child, recently witnessed such an incident in front of her eyes, which has given her many sleepless nights. In fact, Savannah was watching her daughter playing with a toy when she wanted to record this beautiful moment on camera. But soon, this beautiful moment turned into a nightmare. Did you look closely? For a moment, it was seen that the child's toy also wanted to look at the camera. Suddenly, this lifeless toy started moving, after which Savannah immediately threw this toy outside. But she is still terrified by this strange occurrence.
Hello.